in this video I'll show you a quick demo of DFY Profitz, how it works and what's the main features. Okay, let's log into my account. So after logging, we have the main feature of this software is actually we have a lot of done for you opt-in pages which are very high converting, and we have traffic generation method, social engagement method for you, everything done for you. So first of all, let's go to our autoresponder integration. We'll need it. Okay, I have already connected to Ever. Let's disconnect and let me show you how to do it. We have like 6 autoresponder, and then let's authorize Ever. Allow access, and after that you will be connected to Uber account. Okay, so our software is now connected to our autoresponder. Now let's go to opt-in pages. Now go to our pages and add new. There will be a list of offers that are available to promote. You can add as many offers as you want, but there are a few done for offers, you will see. So let's try it. So we'll promote an offer called Sniper Profitz Pro and publish. Then edit with Profitz Builder. It's loading. Okay, so after the interface is loaded, just click here and click on my templates. You will see a lot of done for you templates here. So from here, select a template. Let's try Sniper Profitz Pro. Here it is, insert it. Yes. So that's it. You are now the owner of a nice opt-in page. Now everything is editable. You can change the text and the forms. So let's click on the form. We will change the submit action here. So actions after submit, we have to use mail opt-in and redirect. Okay, so we'll use two things. We will insert the data to our autoresponder, and we will redirect the user to a thank you page or whatever page you like. You can set the page from here, redirect page. We'll talk about it. First try with the autoresponder thing. Select your email service. We already integrated Uber, so let's select Uber, and there's a list, test list. So our this page is now integrated with this list. Okay, now the redirect thing. You can redirect to your affiliate link. You can redirect wherever you want. So we have a traffic and engagement method. So that's we placed in the thank you page. So let's redirect this user to thank you page. For this, let's go to our page settings, and I have the thank you page already ready here. And so you can see thank you Sniper Profitz Pro. Just click here and our page will be ready. So after someone submit the form, they will be redirected to this page. Here you can see a title, thank you for signing up, and click here to go to the offer page. So user can just go to the offer page by clicking this button, but there is a very nice opportunity to win free gifts from here by just participating the contest. So we have a contest here. You can win a free Sniper Profitz account by participating the below contest. You can set it up, you can set everything, the contest, the prizes, whatever you want, and the way your user will enter. So we are, for this demo, we are giving a prize of Sniper Profitz account, free account. People have to do this everything, then they will be they will be redirect to, they will be able to qualify for the prize. Okay, so for this, let's first of all, let's copy this and paste it to the redirect link, and you are done with this page. Okay, you're done with this page. So in the thank you page settings, when you are editing the thank you page, you can do things like this. Okay, so in the thank you page, when someone submits it, let's try view page. So if someone like email is the below field, and this is Moshbari, and click here. Now the user is redirected to this page. You can go to the offer page. The offer page is actually Sniper Profitz Pro, your affiliate link. Actually, this is Sniper Profitz Pro sales page. Or you can enter the below contest to win a free gift. So use your email to enter the giveaway. And Moshbari, enter. So after you enter, you will get 5 points. See, you already get 5 points, and there are few options to earn points. You can visit Facebook page like this. This will open in a model. Okay, and you can follow their Twitter, you can follow Instagram, you can visit their Facebook YouTube channel, visit their YouTube channel, and there will be a subscribe pop-up. So this is actually engagement thing. And then visit page. Visit page is actually a 9gag page. You can set everything from the backend, these options. Okay, so this is 9gag page. You can send traffic to anywhere you want. So you are getting points for doing everything, doing all these. You can set the number of points for each option. Okay, then and you can check back later what's the condition of the contest and what's your position here. Okay, everything is configurable from the backend, like the start time, end time of the contest, and the points and the options. Okay, now let me show you how to set up a contest. Go to giveaway, and we have like one giveaway, my awesome giveaway. Okay, let's edit this. Let's try. Okay, everything is ready here. So let's remove this. I'll show you how to add it again. Okay, so you can set the price name here, you can set the start and time here, And then the actions is actually how you can get more subscriber, more engagement, and more traffic. So you can set the options from here, like visitors from Facebook. If you click on this will be added here, and then you can set it up from here. You can set the values, you can make it a mandatory entry, you can allow daily entry. If someone visit your page daily, they will get daily points. And then Facebook page URL, you can set your Facebook page URL here. Okay, and for the same thing you can set YouTube channel, or you can target a specific Facebook post or Instagram post or YouTube video. For design, you don't have to do anything. This is actually a pretty design, I guess, and if you want to change, you can just change it from here, the font and things. So after you are done, save it and then publish. For publishing, you have to choose DFY shortcodes, and then click the copy the shortcode and paste it in the thank you page. Click on the thank you page. It's loading. It's loading, and wait a bit. Okay, so it's loaded, and let's delete this. This is the previous one. Let's delete it. Now search for shortcode. And paste it here, apply, and then you will see the thing. Okay, just update the page. So that's how you can get done for you opt-in pages, and you can get a lot of traffic to your site and your Facebook post, Instagram post, YouTube channel, or your website, wherever you want. That's a ultimate traffic generation method. Okay, thank you.